Hello everyone, Papa Blue Shirt. I bought a new bike, but I have a few more videos in the pipeline, and so this is one of those videos. But don't forget to like and subscribe because I'm gonna start doing them on my new bike. It's coming soon. Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. Getting ready to go on my ride today. It's 70 degrees today. Feels like it's the summertime again. So let's look what we got here. I got 10,394 miles, and it was colder in the garage today than it was outside. But here's what the bike looks like. 10,000 miles on it, over 10,000. I'm gonna try something today. I have this dog that keeps bothering me. I've tried to slow down and stop and befriend him, and he just doesn't want to hear it. And so I got an app from the app store that has a high frequency sound, so I'm going to put it on and see if that keeps him away from me. We'll see how that goes. Alrighty, let's get on the road. See the deer over here. Should have been paying attention. Could have got that deer for you. I had to go back and get my glove. I had my glove sitting up here for weeks. Never fall off. I come out the driveway today. I come out here on the road and one was missing. So now I put the Velcros together so they should stay. Yeah, we're supposed to get a bunch of rain this afternoon, so got out here a little earlier than usual. Looks like the horses have been out here today too. But yeah, I'm just wearing my little hoodie here. It's 70 degrees out. It's beautiful. It feels a little bit cool because of the dampness, but I'm sure I'll warm up into it. Yeah, it's nice. Well, I run the dog thing on the first dog that went by. It did get their attention. Two of them stopped and didn't come after me like they usually do. So maybe this will work. I'll check it out up here again. Well, it definitely gets their attention. They can hear you better. But the jury's still out. It stops them from coming after you or not. I did see those two dogs, they did stop, so that was kind of encouraging because they usually come out and chase me, so maybe. It's a nice day today, but the wind's kind of blowing. Look what I found. Look who I found out on this beautiful day. We'll head for home because my battery went dead again. I can only get about 11 miles out of it now. I'm gonna have to buy a new battery for the screen because this one is pretty well shot. But good thing for me, it's downhill all the way for last half mile, so I can coast home. Anyways, this is Papa Blue Shirt. We tried out a few dog things today, and I don't know how well they worked. Seemed like the one worked pretty good, maybe. But I'll have to do some more testing. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for watching, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.